Hi Naturals, welcome to the channel. My name is Dima Ogike. Just in case you're watching for the first time, on this channel I share lots of natural hair growth DIY contents to improve your hair growth, thickness and health. Please, before you continue watching, kindly subscribe by tapping that red button on your interface that says subscribe. Please share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed watching. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. In today's video, I'll be sharing a super potent herbal hairspray you need to grow your hair on bald spots, thinning hair, regrow your hair, thicken your hair, and stop excessive shedding. For this recipe, you need a glass jar like so. Make sure your jar is well sterilized to avoid impurities. In no time, I'll be sharing with you how you can sterilize your jar. So my first ingredient is papaya seeds, and I will take you back to how I prepped and got the papaya seeds, which are actually from a papaya fruit. You have to cut a ripe papaya fruit into halves, and then the black stuff inside is what I refer to as papaya seeds. Just so this video doesn't get too lengthy, I'll be placing the link of the detailed video on how I prepped and dried my papaya seeds in the description box and on the card that will pop up on the screen. And also, I share the numerous benefits of these seeds in that video. For the proportion, I measured out a tablespoon of papaya seeds into the jar. Next ingredient is cloves buds. Cloves for hair gain is a proven fact. These buds or seeds act as a natural remedy free from any form of additives and perfumes. The vital vitamins in it help improve the growth of your kinks, curls and locks, and even your permed mane. Additionally, using cloves in tea form to massage your scalp and hydrate your hair shaft will enhance blood circulation and strengthen your hair, thereby increasing hair growth, minimizing shedding and breakage, and also thickens your hair. It will also secure oxygen supply to your roots and follicles. For the proportion, I made use of half tablespoon of clove buds. Please take note of the measurements, as this will help you make the best treatment for your hair. For my next ingredient, I'm going to be using hibiscus. This is actually a moisturizer, a natural moisturizer. This dried hibiscus flowers right here will help balance the papaya seeds and the cloves buds. So for the measurement, I'm going to be using 2 flowers like so, 2 dried flowers like so. I don't always like to overdo this because it actually stains. So for the next ingredient, I'm going to be pouring 500 ml worth of hot water into the jar. Make sure your water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That way it will be very hot to infuse this. Just for me to cover the jar, I'm making use of my foil paper. Please do not use the rubber lid that comes with this jar. Make sure to use anything that is not rubber, just in case you don't have foil paper. I'll go ahead and cover that properly and then infuse for 8 to 12 hours. This is after 12 hours. I usually love to infuse mine for long. So after 12 hours, here is my result. So I'll go ahead and sieve this to get my hairspray. For the sieving process, I'm making use of a strainer and a bowl, clear bowl, to collect the filtrate. The reason for the strainer is because I don't have tiny particles in my ingredients, hence the reason why I'm using strainer. You all already know that I love to use cheesecloth. For this recipe, I don't have tiny particles. That's why I'm using a strainer. So feel free to use a strainer. So I transfer that into my spray bottle with the help of a funnel. Cover up, and then this recipe is ready. This spray, potent spray, is ready for application. I'm going to be demonstrating how I apply this on my hair. Now, this hair treatment is perfect for your locks, permed hair, natural hair, protective styles, loose hair like mine, please feel free to use this on all hair types. Use it to hydrate your hair 2 to 3 times a week. Please feel free to apply this on your scalp and then massage your scalp. Work that in properly. Make sure to apply your moisturizers after this. Use this as a base and then coat your hair with your leave-in conditioner and hair butter cream. Please do not forget that. I may not have shown this here because this is not the video for that. So I'm just using this to hydrate my hair, and after now I will apply my leave-in conditioner and then follow up with my hair butter cream. So the moisturizers will help this treatment not to dry out your hair. So please do not forget to use your leave-in conditioner and hair butter cream after this treatment. If you have bald patches, thinning hair, or anywhere you want your hair to grow, please focus this treatment on that area and then ensure you massage that area after application. Make sure to work that in and then give yourself a gentle massage. I equally have a video on how you can properly massage your scalp without ripping off your hair. Just so you know, I have an entire playlist on this channel titled Hair Tips. Please visit that playlist, burn the entire playlist, watch all the videos there. That will help you know how to care for your hair, because some of you ask me a lot of questions in the comment section which I'm not able to type so long, just so you guys can understand. But in that playlist, I made sure I touched some of the things you guys ask often in the comment section. Kindly check that playlist. Not many of you watch the playlist. Please go ahead and watch it. That will help you understand your hair better. That will help you know how to care for your hair better. The weather is getting harsh by the day. Please do not expose your hair so much. Try to cover up your hair. Try to tuck in your ends. Try to protect your hair from the UV rays. That's really dangerous and can be harmful to your hair. Also, avoid tight hairstyles. Wash your hair when you should. Create a timetable. Get a journal to document your wash days. If you're the type that wash your hair once a week and deep condition, get a journal. Document everything you do on each wash day. Create a schedule for your protein treatment. Document every time you do anything to your hair. Try to document it so that it can enable you to know what next to do to your hair on your next wash day. With this, I think you should be on your way to growing a better hair this 2022. If you know you haven't been deep conditioning, kindly report yourself in the comment section below. And also, if you know you haven't been doing your protein treatment, report yourself in the comment section below. On this channel, we also massage our scalp daily, and if you know you haven't been doing that, please report yourself in the comment section below. That will help us know how to help you. If you have watched up to this point, kindly type hi for me in the comment section below. And if you have any question for me regarding all I've shared in this video or any other of my videos, kindly drop that in the comment section below and I'll definitely reply. Thank you so much, and I'll see you shortly.